My name is Sinta Rahmawati Effendi. I'm a nursing student at the Faculty of Health, University Muhammadiyah, Tasikmalaya. In this video, I will demonstrate the procedure for measuring blood glucose using a glucometer. This procedure is performed to monitor blood glucose levels, detect abnormalities, and support appropriate patient care. Now, I will present the equipment, materials, and step-by-step procedure for measuring blood glucose using a glucometer. Enjoy the video. Procedure for measuring blood glucose using a glucometer. Introduction. Blood glucose measurement is a nursing procedure as to determine the concentration of glucose in a patient blood by using a portable device called a glucometer. This procedure is commonly performed using a capillary blood sample obtained through a finger prick method. The purpose of blood glucose measurement is to monitor blood sugar levels, detect hyperglycemia or hypoglycemia, evaluate the effectiveness of diabetes treatment, and assist healthcare professionals in making clinical decisions regarding patient management. Accurate blood glucose monitoring is essential for patients with diabetes mellitus and thus at risk of glucose imbalance. In nursing practice, blood glucose testing is important because it provides rapid information about a patient's metabolic status. Nurse frequently perform this procedure in hospitals, clinics, community health center, and home care settings. It helps ensure patient safety by enabling an early identification and prompt management of abnormal glucose levels. Blood glucose measurement is commonly performed in several situations, including routine monitoring of patients with diabetes mellitus, assessment of patients with symptoms of hypoglycemia or hyperglycemia, evaluation before and after insulin administration, monitoring during hospitalization, and screening of individuals at risk for diabetes. Next, material and equipment. The following materials and equipment are required. 1. Glucometer, blood glucose monitoring device, comfortable blood glucose test strip, sterile lancet device, alcohol swab, cotton ball or gauze, non-sterile gloves, sharp disposal container, documentation sheet or patient medical record. Next procedure. First step, wash your hand thoroughly according to hand hygiene guidelines. Prepare all necessary equipment and ensure that the glucometer is functioning properly. Identify the patient using at least to identify and explain the procedure to obtain cooperation and reduce anxiety. Next, provide privacy and position the patient comfortable. Perform hand hygiene and put on non-sterile gloves. Next, insert the test strip into the glucometer according to the manufacturer's instruction. Next, select an appropriate puncture site, usually the lateral side of the patient finger tip. Next, clean the selected site with an alcohol swab and allow it to air dry completely. Use the lancet device to puncture the fingertip quickly and safely. Next, wipe away the first drop of blood if required by institutional police. Next, can gently squeeze the finger if necessary to obtain an adequate blood sample without excessive pressure. Next, touch the blood drop to the designated area of the test strip until the glucometer indicates that the sample is sufficient. Wait for the glucometer to analyze the sample and display the blood glucose result. Next, apply the gentle pressure to the puncture site using cotton or gauze until bleeding stops. Next, dispose of the lancet immediately into a sharp disposal container. Remove gloves and perform hand hygiene. Next, inform the patient of the result when appropriate. Next, document the blood glucose level, date, time of measurement, patient conditioning, and my nursing information performed. Then, conclusion: blood glucose measurement using a glucometer is a simple yet essential nursing procedure for assessing and monitoring a patient's glucose status. The procedure aims to detect abnormal blood sugar level promptly, evaluate treatment effectiveness, and support appropriate clinical decision making. The key benefits of this procedure include early identification of hypoglycemia and hyperglycemia, improved diabetes management, and enhanced patient safety by following the correct procedure and adhering to infection prevention principles. Nurse can obtain accurate result and provide high quality patient care. In conclusion, blood glucose measurement using a glucometer is an important nursing procedure to assess and monitor a patient's blood glucose level accurately and safely. By following the correct procedure and infection prevention principles, healthcare providers can obtain reliable results and support appropriate patient care. Thank you for attention. Bye bye.